my friends have pretty impressive baseball card collections. I'm kind of curious to know whether I've got enough to beat all their collections combined. We can estimate the total number of their baseball cards, taking it step by step. First, let's round each number. Since all these numbers are over 100, we'll round each number to the nearest hundred. For instance, we'll round Scott's 116 cards down to 100 because that's the closest hundred. Remember, the closest hundred may be higher than the number, like when we rounded Joe's 174 up to 200. Time to add it up. With such round numbers, it's easy to estimate that my friends have about 400 cards. At 513 cards, my collection is definitely bigger. Aw, yeah! There's another way to estimate large sums called front-end estimation. Just follow these steps. Add the first digit of each number and put down zeros for the rest of the digits. Okay, 6 plus 2 equals 8. After we put down zeros for the next two place values, we get 800, but we're not done yet. The next step is to add the second digits of each number the same way, putting zeros in place of the last digits. When we add 70 to 30, we get 100, so we need to add that to our total of 800. When we add 100 to 800, we get 900. That's the estimate.